In the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare, a high-stakes race for drone supremacy unfolds between two global powers, China and the United States. While China seeks to challenge the status quo, the US remains at the forefront, leveraging its technological superiority and decades of experience to maintain its dominance in both aerial and naval drone warfare. In today's episode, we'll dive into the ongoing battle for drone supremacy, exploring how the US continues to set the standard in both the skies and the seas. China's military development, especially in the field of drones, has seen rapid progress in recent years, capturing global attention. The rise of military drones has revolutionized modern warfare, transforming conflict zones like Ukraine and the unfortunate Israeli genocide in Gaza. Both China and the United States, the world's two largest military powers, are keenly aware of this transformation and are racing to incorporate these technologies into their military strategies. China has significantly ramped up its investment in drone technology over the past 2 years. This investment spans across the Navy, Army, and Air Force, with a focus on creating faster, smarter, and more adaptable unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. This comprehensive approach has positioned the People's Liberation Army, PLA, as the only military capable of competing and eventually surpassing on a tactical level with the US forces. In May, an intriguing development was reported by Naval News. A mystery ship was spotted in satellite imagery near Shanghai, designed specifically to host fixed-wing UAVs. This could potentially be the world's first naval carrier dedicated to drones. Additionally, the Type 076 amphibious assault carrier is under construction at the Hudong Zhonghua shipyard in Shanghai. This vessel is expected to be a combined platform for drones and helicopters, featuring an electromagnetic catapult launcher similar to China's most advanced aircraft carrier, the Fujian. The construction of such advanced platforms highlights China's recognition of the importance of autonomous systems in supporting combined arms operations. Drones produced in high numbers at low unit costs could allow the PLA to leverage mass in combat operations, adding flexibility to sea-based carrier operations. The increasing tensions in the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait further underscore the significance of these developments. Beijing's military pressure around Taiwan and encounters with the Philippine Navy in the South China Sea have raised concerns about potential conflicts drawing in the United States. A challenge. How does this rapid technological advancement impact global military dynamics? The US, traditionally maintaining a policy of strategic ambiguity regarding Taiwan, faces a significant challenge. Washington is committed to the island's defense, but has not clarified whether it would directly intervene in the event of an attack from mainland China. The design of the Type 076 could complicate Taiwan's defense strategy by dispersing air defense assets to counter threats launched from various directions, rather than concentrating solely on the western side of the island. The PLA Daily, China's official military newspaper, recently emphasized the increasing importance of unmanned systems. An article outlined a strategy for drones of varying sophistication and size, highlighting their roles in future military operations. Large platforms will reduce manpower needs, mid-sized platforms will transition to fully unmanned operations, and swarms of small drones will become essential weapons. China's lessons from the ongoing conflict in Ukraine have been particularly illuminating. Analysts from the PLA's Academy of Military Sciences noted the rapid proliferation of low-cost precision strike capabilities and new scale advantages emerging at disproportionately lower costs. The war in Ukraine has demonstrated the importance of forward-looking, independent innovation in arms development. China aims to eliminate dependency on foreign technologies, ensuring its military capabilities are not hindered by external control. The swarm tactics used in Ukraine, aiming to saturate air defenses, have provided critical insights for China. Military commentator and former PLA instructor Song Jongping highlighted the importance of comprehensive applications of drone technology across all military branches. Besides UAVs, unmanned marine surface drones and underwater devices are expected to undergo transformative changes. China's focus on developing small, cheap, single-function drones operating in swarms contrasts with the US approach, which relies on more capable, longer-range devices. This divergence is highlighted in a report by the Center for a New American Security, which suggests that the US might struggle to employ smaller drones effectively due to potential PLA attacks on larger air or sea vehicles required for transport. The geographical advantage enjoyed by China in a hypothetical regional conflict cannot be overlooked. China's ability to deploy vast numbers of drones from multiple locations and logistic streams provides a significant strategic edge. As the world's largest drone manufacturer, China has the capacity to produce high-quality drones in large quantities, leveraging its innovation advantage in AI to advance weapons development rapidly. The cost equation in drone strategies is another critical factor. China's ability to field equipment at lower costs gives it a significant advantage. While the US might be ahead in operational experience with drone technology dating back to the Vietnam War, the sheer mass of Chinese drones could present a formidable challenge. China's emphasis on unmanned military platforms dates back to the early 2000s, but has accelerated with the lessons learned from the Ukraine conflict. President Xi Jinping's directional policy document emphasizes the development of unmanned intelligent combat capabilities, aiming to increase the proportion of the PLA's new domain forces. Chinese analysts argue that intelligent drones, which do not rely on remote human control, can respond more quickly and perform risky operations more effectively. They advocate for better power systems, data communication networks, and AI-driven planning and control systems to manage clusters of drones. The development of next-generation stealth fighters incorporating drones is another area of focus. Chinese scientists have successfully tested a jet with detachable segments that transform into flying wing drones. Upgrades to medium and large-sized drones, including the supersonic reconnaissance WZ-8 and stealth combat GJ-11, reflect China's commitment to advancing its UAV capabilities. China is also exploring underwater drone technology, unveiling a carbon fiber hull for high-performance deep-sea submersibles and achieving breakthroughs in extra-large unmanned submersible vehicles. These developments indicate a comprehensive approach to drone technology covering air, sea, and underwater domains. But all in all, whether it's the cost structure or development, it seems like nothing can stop China from taking the drone throne. With much about the race between China and the US to win the drone war emphasizing on both sky and sea covered, it is time to wrap this one up. If you have any topics in mind, comment below and we will cover them for you.